It shows, as we always pointed out, your true influence. Even in our ignorance, the world follows us. We are the gods here. You got to stop brushing this entire place with that Negro melanin brush that number one, people came to do the same thing as you down here. And number two, that they're just all right in your book. No, it's a level of consciousness that you should be into. It's a good indication if they're a nigga like you that they have the potential based upon their genetics, but it don't mean they're there. You know that, and I know that. You know that, and I know that. So therefore, when you look at Swanky Jerry and the crew, you'll find they're not you, dog. They're not you. You see things that are you in kind of like as a resource. But what you have become here is special. And you are the great Westerner. You are the one leading the pack. You are the one setting the precedence for Earth behavior. You just don't know it. It's time to take control. We no longer can afford to be ignorant.